You were supposed to share the course outline.
Come again?
You were supposed to send the course outline.
Come again, I didn't get
right? You said?
Come again, I did. Okay, cool. So you can see here I have something called VMware Workstation. Okay. So this is the software. You can download it from, VMware website, official website, or even you can get it from Google as well. Okay. And even I can send it to you through mail. The software which I'm going to use, the software I will send it to you through mail. Okay. I will upload in the Google Drive. I will upload in the Google Drive and we'll send it to you. We'll share it to you. So this is the version we are using, VMware Workstation.
I think I have this version on my system already.
Oh, very good, very good. But do you know how to configure the operating system?
The operating system? No.
Okay, cool. So let me teach you. Let me click on File. Here we have an option called New Virtual Machine. Okay, we are going to configure a new virtual machine.
Okay.
This is the basic configuration. Let me go with the typical. Okay. This is where I'm using my operating system ISO file. I'm using Oracle Linux Server 6.4 version. Okay, operating system version is 6. Operating system version is 6 and update is 4. 4 is the update.
Oh, okay.
Okay, and this is not 32-bit, it is a 64-bit operating system. Okay, 64-bit OS. So this is the ISO file. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, see, I picked up my operating system. This is a ISO file. So I'm going to give the mission name is, development. Let me make it as some real time. So let's name it as dev database. I mean dev server. Okay, development server.
Yeah.
And this operating system should be configured under so some mount point. I wanted to create another mount point. So let's make it a development. Okay, let me allocate a 40 GB. 40 GB is fair enough.
40, okay.
40 GB is fair enough. Let me make it as a split virtual disk into multiple files. That's cool. Let me click on finish. Okay.
Yeah.
So let me click on edit virtual machine settings. What is your laptop configuration? You should require minimum 2 GB RAM. Okay. And 250 GB hard disk.
Oh, mine is 250, but it's less than 250 right now. But I have an external hard drive that I'm using for back.
Okay,
that I'm saving my work to here.
Okay, cool. Okay, so let me make it as a 2 GB, 2 GB RAM. Minimum 2 GB is required. Okay, the hard disk is 40 GB. Okay, so let me click on power on this virtual machine. Let this come up.
Using jacket day here.
Yes, so Let me go with the basic installation. Okay.
Okay.
Just hit the enter. Just hit the enter. That's it. Okay. In real time, we are not going to configure the operating system. It's not our responsibility. The operating system, configuring your operating system is responsible by your system admin. Who's that guy? System admin. Okay.
Okay.
We
So
are,
that's the VMware. You're talking about the VMware, right?
yeah. So
Okay.
we are the DBAs or responsible only for database, not for system. Okay.
Okay.
So let me click on skip. You can skip it. Click on OK. So welcome to Oracle Linux 6. Let me click on next. The language is English. Let me click on next. Okay. So let's
Okay.
go with the basic storage device. Basic storage device. Okay. Let me click on
Okay.
next. And it is asking you. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah. So it is asking you, you have allocated 40 GB hard disk, right? So it is asking to, discard. If you have some data in the 40 GB, it is going to discard the data. So let me click on yes, discard any data. Okay. And the
Yeah.
host name, I'm going to talk about it later. Let's leave as it is. Let me click on next. And choose, I'm choosing my my time zone. Okay, I'm going to choose my time zone, where it is India.
Oh, your time zone. Okay.
This is my time zone. Yes, Kolkata. Okay, Kolkata, Asia.
Yeah.
Let me set some password, simple password, password. Let's keep password as password. Okay, click on
Yeah.
next. Use anyway. Yes. Now let me show you. See, this is our Windows operating system. Am I correct?
You said?
This is our Windows operating system. Am I correct?
Yeah.
Yes. Here, can you see our partition like a C drive, D drive, and F drive? These are the partitions,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
These are the 3 different disks. So we allocated 40 GB. We allocated 40 GB hard disk, right? Let me do some partition. Let me do some partition. Okay. So first I wanted to give for slash. Slash means root. Okay. What do you mean by slash? Forward slash. Forward slash means it's a root. We should allocate minimum 15 GB. Okay. And how much RAM we allocated? 2 GB RAM, right?
2 GB.
2 gigabytes. So swap should be 4 GB. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
And the rest will go for home. The rest will be go for home. These are the partitions I'm going to do now. So create a custom layout. This is the partition I wanted to do manually. Okay, so let me click on create partition. The partition type is a standard partition. So I'm going to give for a forward slash. This is a forward slash. Okay, this is a root. We call it as a root, and the size is 15,000. 15,000 means 15 gigabytes. It should be fixed size. Let me click on OK. Let me click on create standard partition, create, and here we have something called
Sure.
swap. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Our RAM is 2 GB. So swap should be double of your RAM, that is 4 GB. So 4000. Okay.
Yeah.
Let me click on create, standard partition, create, and then the rest will go for home. Okay. So let me
Yeah.
click on fill to maximum allowable size. Fill to maximum allowable size. So how much is left? 21 GB is left. Very good.
Oh, that's the remaining of the 40.
Yes. Okay. So this is how we will configure. Next, format, write changes to disk. Yes. Click on next. Customize now. We have to customize few more things. We have to customize the few more things. Let me click on next. Now you can see a lot of packages. Am I correct?
Mm-hmm.
So these are the packages. So what you will do is just go to the base system. Under base system, every package should be selected. So Control A, right click, select all the optional packages and click on servers. Click on CIFS file server, Control A, select all the packages. Like this, you have to select all the packages except databases, because we are not going to install MySQL database, or we are not going to install Postgres. Very good. Select everything.
So okay. on the system management, you didn't select anything.
Yes.
There was nothing there. Okay.
Yes. We are not the system admins, so we are not sure. So let's select all the packages. Okay.
Okay.
So you are going to leave only two things. One is databases. Second one is languages. Okay.
System management and languages. Okay.
So rest everything was selected. Right?
Yeah.
Click on next. You are done with operating system. So it will take hardly 20 minutes or 30 minutes. Meanwhile, what we will do is I'm going to teach you the operating system commands. Okay, the Linux commands.
That's the Linux commands, right?
Yes, yes.
All
yes.
right.
So what I will do, I have some other servers. See on the left hand side, see you can see the UAT server. You can see some prod server. These are the servers I have. So let me start up this server and I will start showing you the Linux commands. Okay, Linux commands.
Okay.
So click on the power on this virtual machine. Meanwhile, this will be configured. Okay, because it will take time. See, the packages completed 20 out of 2000. So it will take time.
So you are using another machine entirely to teach us now, right?
Right.
Okay.
Right. Let this come up. It's a Oracle Linux server 6.4. I'm going to use another server. Okay, because I don't want to waste your time. Meanwhile, I wanted to teach you the Linux commands, the basic commands. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. Meanwhile, let me show you how to download the VMware Workstation. Okay.
Okay.
So can you see my screen?
Yeah, I can see it.
You can go here. We can go here and we can download. See? One second. This is the workspace, networking, applications and cloud. The latest one is 16 version, 16 Pro. See, this is the version. Workstation 16 Pro for Linux. You can click on download. It will ask you the credentials. Oh, very good. It is not asking me because I already have given credentials. Okay, so you can download.
Oh, okay, yeah.
I'm canceling it. So this is how you can, download VMware. Let this come up. Once you power on the server, okay, I will show you how to log in. What is the user currently we have? We have a root user.
Dave. Oh, the root
Correct.
is
Dev,
15 GB.
Dev is a server name. Just server name. Okay. Dev
Yeah.
is a just server name. That's it. Currently we have one user. Okay. The user is root user. Password is password. Okay. So let me log in. Let this come up. Even for all the servers, I have kept the same password. Okay, cool. Okay, so you can click on other. Okay, because our username is not listed, so username is root. Hit the enter. Password is password. Okay. You can see we are on the server. Okay, this is the server.
Yeah.
Just right click. You can see something called open in terminal. Okay, just open the terminal. So this is how you will get the prompt. You logged in as a root user. The server name is UAT. Okay, the server name is UAT, and you are currently on the desktop. Okay, so what is the first command I'm going to teach you is cat/etc system -release. So this is the command will tell you the operating system version. What is the command?
The operating system version.
Yes.
A cat etc system release.
Yes. What is the command? cat/etc/system-release. So we'll tell you.
After the cat, there is a space, right?
Yes, space is there. Yes, space is there. Okay. So Oracle Linux server release 6.4. Now I have a doubt that is this 32-bit or 64-bit? What is the command? So the command is uname-r. Just hit the enter. See, uname means kernel version. Kernel. This is the kernel version. This is the bit version. You got two outputs. Okay. One is kernel version Second one is bit version. Clear? Hello? Can you hear me?
Yeah. Yeah.
This is the kernel version. This is the bit version. x86_64 means it's a 64-bit operating system.
Okay.
x86_64 means it's a 64-bit operating system. Clear? Any doubts?
Yeah. No.
Next, how do you check the file system? How do you check the file system? What is the command? df space -h. df space -h. This command will tell you file system. So just hit the enter. See,
That's file system.
File system.
File. Okay. File system. Okay. Oh, file system.
File system. Okay.
Mm.
So this is the root mount point. What is the first one? Root mount point. Root mount point. Mount point means hard disk. Okay, it is one disk. So
Okay.
we allocated 40 GB, right? Out of 40 GB,
Yeah.
we allocated 15 GB. See, this is the 15 GB we allocated for root mount point, and the rest everything allocated for home, right? Yes. See, now you can see I have allocated 15 GB size. Okay, for the root mount point. In this 15 GB, 11 GB was occupied already. It is already occupied. How much is available? Just 3 GB is left. How much is left? Just 3 GB is left. Clear? Not clear? Clear?
Yeah.
So /home. Home is one more mount point. How much we allocated? 26 GB. How much is used? 6 GB is used. How much is available? 19 GB is available. Okay.
Okay.
And how do you check the RAM on this server? free-m is the command. Free-m is the command, will tell you what is your current RAM. So my current RAM is 2 GB and swap is 4 GB.
Oh, okay.
Current RAM is 2 GB and my swap is 4 GB. So out of 2 GB RAM, 400 MB was already occupied by your operating system to run. Okay, how much is left? 1500 MB. That means 1.5 GB, 1.5 gigabytes is available. Okay.
Okay.
Clear?
Hello, good morning.
Hey, hi, good morning. Who's that?
This is annoying.
Oh, is it? Okay.
Yeah, the other student here.
Other student. Okay. How are you doing?
Very well, thank you.
Okay.
So I'm just wondering, I know I'm late, but I really don't know what's going on right here.
Oh, is it? Did you join just now or you joined already?
And she just came.
I just joined.
Okay, okay, cool. Okay, fine. So no issues. I will share with you the recorded session. You can go through the recorded session. See, I was just teaching her the commands, basic commands.
It's okay. I'll go through the recorded session and
yeah, yes. We will send you. So okay. What I taught her is just operating system version. How can we see? And operating system bit version. Okay, and the file system and the mount points I'm talking about. Okay, And next we will see about the documentation. See, next, let me show you currently where you are. So PWD is present working directory. PWD means present working directory. However you want, you can call it as directory or a directory. So present working directory, you are currently under /root/desktop. Okay.
Okay.
I have written clearly here, say which path you are in currently. So currently you are in /root/desktop. Okay. Next.
Okay.
What is the next command? To know the drives or mount point. Mount point is nothing but hard disk. Okay. Hard disk.
Yeah.
Like in Windows, you will have C drive or D drive, right?
Oh, okay.
Etc. In Linux, we will be having mount point. In Linux, we call it as a mount point. Okay. So what is the command? df space -h. df-h. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So next. So if you see, for example, you are under /root/desktop, right? You are under /root/desktop. Okay. If you wanted to go one step back, so what is the command? cd, change directory. Change directory. See, now you give pwd where you are. If you wanted to go back, if you wanted to go one step back, what is the command?
CD
space 2 dots. Okay, cd space 2 dots. So if you wanted to go back, okay, if you wanted to see some files and folders, if you wanted to see any file or folder, what is the command? ls. ls stands for listing. It will list all the files and folders. Okay, clear?
Yeah.
See, this is a file, this is a folder. How can you say this is a file, this is a folder? The black color is file and the the blue color is folder.
Colors.
Yes. ls space -lrth. This is one more command. It will give you the list like this. See.
What command is that? Oh, to list. Okay.
List.
Yes. List. It will list.
No, I'm talking about the LRTH.
It will give you the ownership. It will give you the group. It will give you the timestamp. It will give you the size of a file or folder. See, L or TH. If you have a doubt, what you will do? ls space -help. See, what is L? So L or TH, right?
Yeah.
So 1 second. This is L. See, long listing format. What do you mean by L? It's a long listing format. And next is R. Reverse order while sorting. T. What is the next one? T. Yes. Sort by modification time. Okay. H.
Okay.
Where is H? Human readable format. Human readable format. Say example 1 KB, 234 MB, 2 GB. Okay. This is how. See, in simple, If you give ls, it is just giving you the files and folders output. Am I correct? But if you wanted to see clearly the ownership, what is the current size and everything, then lrth. Simple.
Okay.
Okay. Or you can say
Yeah.
LTR. You can say LTR also. Both are same. See? Clear? Next. What's next? Okay. So you can see the file size here. Okay. This is the size. We have one more command, du space -sh star. Du space -sh star. This command will give you the complete size of a file and folder. This command will give you the complete size and folders. See, some files are in 32 KB, 116 KB, 4 KB, just 8 KB. Okay, du space -sh. To get subfolder information and under mount point. See, we are under mount point. Am I correct? We are under root mount point. Root is a one of the mount points. Root is a one of the mount points. So we are under mount point. If you wanted to see the size, this is the command. What is the command?
DUSH.
Very good. Next, to change from one folder to another folder, CD is the command. Change directory. CD means what?
Change directory.
What do you mean by directory? Directory means folder. What do you mean by directory?
Folder.
Yes. In Windows, we call it as a folder. In Linux, we call it as a directory. In Windows, we call it as a folder. Okay. In Linux, we call it as a directory. Clear?
Yeah.
So, for example, where I am currently, I am under root, right? If I wanted to go inside of videos, just paste. See, I am under videos. Check PWD. Now where I am. Okay.
Yeah.
And if you wanted to see any files inside of videos, what is the command? ls. Nothing, no files. If you wanted to come back one step, what is the command? cd. See, clear? Any confusion? Any confusion? No confusion?
No confusion. No.
Cool, cool. Okay. This is very easy. This is very easy and interesting. Okay. Okay, next. Next, how do you create a user? How do you create a user? How you gonna create a user? How do you create a user? So we have a command. What is the command? User add. User add. See, for example, user add a Sai. See, it was created. The username Sai was created. So how do you check? Simple. Under home mount point, you can see that user. Whoever the users are get created, you can see under home mount point. See. Okay.
Yeah.
Next. So what is the timestamp? Today's timestamp. Date is the command. Date is the command. And currently you logged in as a root user, right? See, you can see here root. So how you will get to know who am I? Okay, so you are a root user. If you are a root user, you will get hash symbol. If you are a root user, you will get hash symbol. Okay, hashtag, hash symbol. So see, I already created Sai user. So how can I log in? Or let me create some, another user. User add some Johnny. Okay. So how can
you are
see
trying
now?
to add another user?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
I'm trying to add another user. I'm trying to create a new user. Both are same, right?
Yeah. Okay.
See, can you see now?
Johnny. Okay.
Or user add Morphe, right? Am I correct? Any spelling mistake?
Yeah. Okay.
See, under home it got created, right? So how can I switch into a user? How can I switch from root user to Johnny? How can I switch? What is the command? SU. SU stands for switch user. SU stands for switch user. SU means switch user, switching user. How can you switch? SU space hyphen space Johnny. See, I'm a Johnny user. How can you say who am I? See, clear?
Yeah.
Please observe one thing. See, if you are a root user, you will get hash symbol. If you are other than root user, you will get a dollar symbol. Clear?
Yeah.
See our operating.
That's the installation we just did, right?
Yes, yes. So congratulations, your Oracle Linux server installation is completed. Please reboot to use installed system. Note that updates may be available to ensure the proper functioning of your system and installation. Okay, so let me click on reboot. Okay. So let this come up, Vmware Workstation. So hash symbol is for root user and a dollar symbol for a normal user. One more point, root is a specialized user. Okay, he will have all the privileges. He will have all the privileges. Okay, and he is like a super user.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so root is a specialized user and he will have all the privileges and he is like a super user. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, so where I am under home Johnny. Any file or folder? No files, right?
Yeah, no files, no.
No files. So how can I create a directory? What is a directory? I already discussed with you. Directory means it's a folder. How can I create a directory? What is the command? mkdir. Mkdir. Make the directory. Mkdir means what? Make the directory.
Or make the directory.
Okay, mkdir. This is the command. So let's create one directory. Any file, any folder is there? No folder, right?
So
So let me
yeah.
clear mkdir some morphe. See, can you see the directory? Yes, it is one of the directory. So what is the command to create a directory?
mkdir.
Very good. So how can you go inside this directory? What is the command?
Su? No.
Not cd, change directory.
Oh, CD.
See, now
Oh,
how?
okay.
Now pwd. See, okay.
Oh, su means show user, right?
No, switch user. See,
Switch. Okay.
switch
Oh,
user
switch. Okay.
from root user to another user. Okay, 1 second. Okay, so let me click on forward, and this is licensing information. Let's just click on forward. 1 second. I want to prefer to register at a later time. Take me back to the server. No, I will connect later. Forward. What is the timestamp? So today is 21st. And what is the time now? 7:33. Seven means 19. Okay. No need to enable kdump. It is not required. Finish. So we done with operating system configuration. See, currently you are trying to run as a super user. Am I correct?
Yeah.
Because I logged in as a root user.
Root,
so the
yeah.
super user is a specialized account that is not designated to run a normal user session. Various programs will not function properly. The actions performed under this account can cause unrecoverable damage to the operating system. Okay, no issues. Okay. So let me go to the UAT server. Next, to get the list of OS users. Okay, not only ls-ltr/home. Okay, we have one more method. See, lot of users. See, what is the command I have given? cat/etc/password. Okay, this command will tell you how many users are there in the operating system. See, the first user is root user. This is a different type of users, but if you notice, at last what you can see, no login. No login means this is not a user. This is not a user. The user is, say, we created, say, Sai, Johnny, Murphy. Okay, these people are the users. See, I got the user. So pipe is a symbol. Okay, pipe is a symbol, you know, right? Symbol. Pipe is a symbol, and grep is a command to filter the output. Grep is a command to filter the output. Clear or not clear? See, I have used these two together. Can you hear me?
No, can hear you.
Yes, yes. So
Yes.
what do you call this one? Pipe. you call it as a pipe symbol, and grep is a command to filter the output. So for example, if I wanted to see Johnny user, this is how you can use. If I wanted to use Murphy, see, I got the output. I will teach you later what is 54325, 54326. This is the group ID. Okay, what is that? It is a group ID. And this user is under home mount point. Okay, this is the shell. What do you call this one? This is a shell. Okay, this is the by default shell, bin bash. Bin bash is a by default shell. Next. So I already discussed with you what is how do you create a directory. Okay, and ls-lrth. Next, let me show you. Okay, so see, I said this blue color is a directory. Am I correct? This blue color is a directory, and this one is a file. Okay, see, if it is a directory, you can see the first word D. D stands for a directory. D stands for directory. Okay.
Yeah.
Hyphen stands for. See, you can see the file. Can you see the file? These are the files. Clear? Not clear.
Not clear, but I think if we go over it one more time, maybe it will make more sense. Yeah.
Okay, so this is a directory. The blue color is a directory. See, last time we see this is what we created, right? Morphe. It's a directory. So directory, you can see it is starting with D. D means directory. Okay.
Yeah.
D stands for directory, and hyphen, you call it as a hyphen. Hyphen stands for file. This is a shortcut to remember. This is a shortcut to remember. Okay, this is a file and this is a directory. Clear? Not clear.
Okay. The ones on blue is a directory.
Yes. See, how do you create a directory?
Let me ask one question.
Yeah,
this drop down, like after typing a command, like this root at a UAT, is it an auto drop down, or you are typing it manually?
No, I'm clicking on enter. I'm clicking on
more enter. Okay.
I'm clicking on enter. Okay. And how do you clear the screen? Clear command and hit the enter. See, clear command.
So you clear everything you've been teaching now.
Yes, it will clear. But I can show you. See, I'm just scrolling up. Okay. What is UAT? This is a host name. See, what do you mean by host name? What do you mean by host name? Host name means server name. Simple. What is the answer?
Server name.
Yes, simple. And you logged in as a root user. So see, you logged in as a root user. Clear?
Yeah.
Next. I will share with you the documentation.
Okay.
Next. I have shown you, excuse me. I have shown you how to create a directory, right? mkdir example, what is that? John. See, directory was created. Okay. And how do you create a file? How do you create a file? What is a command?
Is it CD?
Fine.
So the command is vi. Vi means it's
Oh,
a,
VI. Okay.
it's
That's another
an
one.
editor. It is an editor. Okay. So
Okay.
okay. So vi space, and I wanted to create one file. So tell me some file name. So for example, file one. Okay. This is the file
Okay.
name. I just wanted to give file one. Okay. File one. Okay. Just
Okay.
hit the enter. Hit the enter. Now you went inside the file. See, you went inside the file. What is the file name? File -1. This is the file name, and this is a new file. Now if you click on I, it will be insert mode. The insert mode will be enabled. Just say hi, how are you? And how do you save the file? Escape, semicolon, WQ. One second, something went wrong or what? WQ exclamation. It got saved. How do you check the file? And how do you see the content? I am going to teach once again. See, hi, how are you? Go inside the VI editor. Okay. Once you there, click on I. I means insert mode. Insert mode. Insert mode. Once you return, save the file. How do you save the file? Escape. Click on escape. And
WQ.
then semicolon WQ exclamation. WQ. W means save. Q means quit. Okay. Exclamation means forcefully. Clear?
Okay.
How can you view the content? How can you view a file using cat command? Cat is a command to see the content of a file. Okay.
Yeah.
So cat file -1. See, hi, how are you? Clear?
Yeah. Keep on.
Next, see, this is what I have written here. To write something, okay, go inside the VI editor, escape -I, write something, and then if you wanted to save, escape, and then escape colon WQ hyphen. If you wanted to save the file, if you don't want to save, colon Q exclamation. W means save, Q means quit. Okay.
It's okay.
To read the data from file, what is the command? Cat is the command. Okay.
To see what's in
Next,
file.
these are the commands. Okay.
Okay. Okay. So the listen.
That's the background.
Touch. As for the workspace. Touch. No, not right. Touch. That's the command.
Hello.
Yes, yes. 1 second.
Yeah. So I'm you said to create files of VI. So I thought that VI is to view to go inside an existing file.
You need to view. You see to view a file.
So what do you do with touch?
1 second, be in the line, 1 second. Yes, yes, tell me. Yes.
Yeah, you said to create files VI. So
Is it to view file?
to view file, okay.
Yes.
So to create file.
Yes. So VI is an editor. Okay, VI is an
Yeah.
editor to create a new file. Not only VI editor, we have one more command is touch command. Touch.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then some name XYZ. Okay, see, it will created with 0 bytes. See, the file was created with 0 bytes. This is a touch command. We have different ways to create a file. Not only VI, okay, we have different ways. I'm going to teach everything. See, we have a list of commands here, not one command or two commands, lot of commands here to discuss. Yes, any doubts so far? So far, so good. Or
I
any
have.
doubts?
Oh, I have a lot of dots. Just
You have a lot
finished
of doubts. Please ask me.
lot.
Yes, please ask me. Go ahead. So
if I ask you, we'll start all over from the beginning. What we'll do is let me go through the
Okay, better.
video and the recorded the video. Then I'll whatever questions I have, maybe we'll have a question and answer section after each
yes, we
class.
have. Yes. Okay. So we will go back to our discussion. So now, so how do you check where you are? What is in your current path? What is the command? PWD, present working directory. Am I correct?
Yeah.
Present working directory. For example, if you wanted to go inside a desktop, what is the command? CD, change directory. Right?
Yeah.
See now? Desktop. Okay. And how do you check any files or folders under a desktop? What is the command? Tell me, what is the command? ls. Any files?
Oh,
No
ls.
files.
Okay. List. Okay.
Okay, 0 files. So touch is a command to touch is one of the commands. It is one of the commands to create a
directory.
file. Create a file, not a directory. Create a file.
Okay.
Okay. The thing is that it will create with 0 bytes. 0 bytes. It is an empty file. See, you can view nothing is there inside file. Okay, clear?
Yeah.
So present working directory, PWD stands for what? Present working
directory.
Present working directory. Okay, PWD, present working directory. Very important command. On daily basis you will use in real time. On daily basis you will use these commands. Okay.
Yeah.
Next, this is my current location. Okay, let me just go back. I can give CD. Okay, change directory. Even if you give CD, okay, you can go back directly. So what is your current directory? Root. I came back from desktop to root. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Now, if you wanted to copy this file XYZ to desktop, what is the command you will use? Copy command. CP. Copy is the command. CP stands for copy.
Okay.
XYZ. XYZ is a file. You wanted to copy XYZ file to which directory?
Desktop.
Directory. Desktop is located where? It is located under root. Root desktop. Clear?
Yeah.
Now go to, how you will go to desktop, tell me.
Change directory CD.
Very good. Desktop. Now how do you list? How do you list the files?
L LS.
LS.
Super.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, I promise, small. Okay,
Clear?
that's the LR.
Clear? Copy command. Next. Okay. Very good. Now, how do you delete a file? How do you delete a file? What is the command? rm command. rm is the command to delete a file. rm stands for remove file. Remove.
Oh,
rm
okay.
stands for
RM.
RM.
rm stands for remove. Okay. Okay. So I wanted to remove XYZ. So let me remove. See, it is asking me remove regular empty file XYZ. Let's say yes. See, it was deleted. XYZ file was deleted. See, earlier two files we have, right? One is file, second one is XYZ. Let me delete one more file also.
Okay.
Okay. Why? See, ls command. Nothing is there. Okay. So copy command you learned, remove command you learned. Now, what else we left? Okay. How do you rename the file? Next, I will show you the difference between copy command versus move command. So both are one and the same. Okay, both are one and the same. The difference is, let me show you. For example, copy is the command. Okay, let me copy this file into again the same directory. Okay, desktop directory. So desktop, can I give desktop or should I give the complete path? I should give the complete path. Okay, see, file was copied. When the file was copied, still the file is available here under root. Under root, still the file was available. Am I correct? Even though it got copied. See, the file was copied, but still it is available from root mount point. Clear? But when you use move command, mv stands for move command. If you wanted to move from one place to another place, from one path to another path. Okay, let's see the difference. Move and then file name. Okay, path. Is this file available here? Under root, the file -1, it is the file available still or not available?
Right now.
Available.
See, file is not available.
Oh, it's not?
It is not available. Okay.
Oh.
So it is permanently will be moved.
Oh,
it is permanently moved. Okay. Yes. See, file went to the target location. The file is not available from source location. It permanently moved to target location. Okay. Clear? Clear or not?
Where's the target location?
Sorry. Pardon, please.
I'm just wondering, the file was moved from, I'm guessing, the root, right? To the target location, which is?
This is the target location. See?
Oh, Wait, I thought desktop was the root. No.
So the file was copied to directory. So the file is not available under root mount point.
Mhm.
The file is not available. Okay. Are you overloaded? No. Yes.
Mm. As well.
Okay. Will you do practice or do you want me to continue? Shall we close the call now or do you want me to continue? If you wanted to practice, you practice. What do you say?
You are gonna give us this handout, right?
This is the workbook, right?
Yes. So we will stop here. Okay. In tomorrow's class, we will continue with the rest of the commands. Okay.
So are you going to send the course outline
Sure,
Uh-huh.
sure. I will send it to you. Sure, I will send it to you.
today?
Yes. After the class, I will send it to you.
Okay.
Okay.
And
Okay,
okay,
now
go
you
ahead.
go first.
I'm just wondering, the installation that was done now,